Hello, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey, a digital safari to explore the wonders of wildlife right from the comfort of our homes. Have you ever dreamed of seeing a snow leopard navigating the treacherous Himalayan peaks, or a vibrant macaw soaring through the Amazon rainforest? Well, get ready, because we're about to make that dream a reality. We're kicking things off with a thrilling virtual tour to meet some of the most exotic and rare animals on our planet. Imagine looking into the eyes of a Sumatran tiger, one of fewer than 400 left in the wild. We'll marvel at its striking orange and black stripes, a perfect camouflage for the dense Indonesian jungles. Then we'll travel to the Galapagos Islands to meet the giant tortoise, a living relic that can live for over a century. These gentle giants move with ancient wisdom, each wrinkle on their skin telling a story of survival. From there, our journey takes us to the magical island of Madagascar to spot the ring-tailed lemur. Watch as they leap gracefully from tree to tree, their long, striped tails acting as a balancing pole and a visual signal to their troop. We'll also dive into the vibrant coral reefs to witness the dazzling colors of the mandarin fish, a tiny creature that performs an intricate twilight mating dance. Each animal we encounter is a masterpiece of evolution, a unique expression of life's incredible diversity. Prepare to be absolutely amazed by their beauty, their behaviors, and the fascinating stories they have to tell. This isn't just about watching animals. It's about connecting with them on a deeper level. Now, as we stand in awe of these magnificent creatures, it's impossible not to think about the challenges they face. Many of the animals we've just met are endangered, their very existence hanging in the balance. This brings us to a crucial part of our journey: understanding conservation. You might think of zoos as just places to see animals, but modern accredited zoos are so much more. They are vital centers for conservation, research, and education. Many zoos participate in global breeding programs known as species survival plans. These programs are like a genetic safety net for endangered species. For animals like the California condor or the black-footed ferret, which were once on the brink of extinction, captive breeding and reintroduction programs have been their lifeline, bringing them back from the edge. Zoos act as arks, safeguarding populations that can no longer survive in their natural habitats due to threats like deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Furthermore, zoos are hubs of scientific research. The data collected by zookeepers and veterinarians on animal health, behavior, and genetics is invaluable. This knowledge helps conservationists in the field develop more effective strategies to protect wild populations. They study everything from animal nutrition to reproductive biology, creating a comprehensive understanding that aids survival efforts worldwide. The work they do is often quiet and behind the scenes, but its impact is monumental. So what can we do to help? You might feel like one person can't make a difference, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Your actions, big and small, create ripples of positive change. One of the most direct ways to contribute is by supporting accredited zoos and conservation organizations. Your visit or donation directly funds animal care, research, and habitat preservation projects around the globe. But your impact doesn't stop there. You can become a citizen scientist. Apps like iNaturalist allow you to document the wildlife in your own backyard, contributing valuable data to global biodiversity databases. You can also make conscious choices in your daily life. Reducing your carbon footprint, minimizing plastic use, and choosing sustainable products all help protect the natural habitats these animals depend on. Educating yourself and others is also a powerful tool. The more we talk about these issues, the more we can inspire collective action to protect our planet's precious biodiversity. Every single one of us has a role to play in this global effort. And now, for the really fun part. We believe that the best way to inspire a love for wildlife is through hands-on engagement. That's why we're bringing the adventure directly to you with some amazing interactive experiences. Let's get creative and deepen our connection to the animal kingdom. First up, let's build a backyard habitat for local wildlife. It's easier than you think. You can create a simple bee hotel using a wooden block with drilled holes, or a butterfly garden by planting native nectar-rich flowers. Setting up a bird feeder or a small water source can turn your yard or balcony into a bustling hub for local birds. It's a fantastic way to observe nature up close and provide essential resources for the critters in your neighborhood. Next, how about trying your hand at wildlife art? Grab your pencils, paints, or even just a tablet. Pick your favorite animal from our virtual tour. Maybe the majestic snow leopard or the colorful macaw, and try to capture its essence. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to observe the details, the patterns on its coat, the light in its eyes, the way it holds itself. It's a meditative and rewarding way to appreciate their unique beauty. We can also dive into the world of animal communication. Let's try to mimic some animal calls. Can you chirp like a robin or hoot like an owl? It might sound silly, but it's a fun way to think about how animals interact. You can find countless videos online of animal sounds. Learning to identify them can make your next walk in the park feel like a real expedition. These activities are more than just pastimes. They are gateways to a deeper understanding and appreciation for the incredible world we share. Our journey today has taken us across continents and oceans, from the highest mountains to the deepest seas. We've met some of the world's most incredible animals and learned about the vital work being done to protect them. Most importantly, we've discovered that each of us holds the power to make a difference. Whether it's by supporting conservation, making sustainable choices, or simply sharing your passion with others, you are part of the solution. The wonders of wildlife are all around us, waiting to be discovered, cherished, and protected. Let's continue to explore, learn, and act together. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to be part of our growing community of nature lovers, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next expedition. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.